Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your YouTube account permanently. In YouTube, there are several tutorials that shows you how to delete your account, but actually they are not showing you how to delete your YouTube account. Rather, they will teach you how to remove your YouTube content. But I will show you how you can delete your YouTube account permanently. For this, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then select YouTube Studio. And then on the left side, as you can see, you can find this option settings. Just tap on settings, then go to channel, and here come to this advanced settings. And here you can see two options: manage YouTube account and remove YouTube content. If you select remove YouTube content, it will remove all the content from your YouTube channel, but it will not delete your account. So for that, go to manage your account. Now here in this section of your channel, you can find the option called view advanced settings, and in the bottom you can find out the option delete your channel. Just click this delete channel, and here's come the option. Now you have to put on your right password for this account and you will be able to delete your YouTube account permanently. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.